Separatory funnel is a technique and an apparatus that is used to separate an organic and aqueous substance from one another. This is often done by taking a known substance, placing it in a separatory funnel with a solvent, and allowing for a reaction to occur. When the reaction occurs, the funneling process is undergone, and then the layers are allowed to separate, and the organic layer is kept, and aqueous layer is often tossed or kept if being used for something else. The way that the separatory funnel technique occurs is through these steps. The first step is assembling the apparatus, which is very simple compared to other chemistry techniques. The separatory funnel is placed in the ring stand. The separatory funnel contains the stopper, the glass body, and the stopcock. When the apparatus is set up, the known substance is poured into the separatory funnel, and then the solvent is poured in. The stopper is placed on the separatory funnel, and a beaker is placed under to collect any liquid. The separatory funnel is then inverted and vented by opening the stopcock under the vent hood. The vent hood is there to take any noxious gases or any gases that escape after the reaction inside of the separatory funnel are vented. The venting process is important for a couple of reasons. The first being that venting allows to decrease the pressure inside of the glass apparatus, meaning that there won't be an explosion of glass because of pressure buildup, or you won't have any loss of substance through the stopper or stopcock because of the excess pressure. It's also important because a lot of chemical reactions that occur inside of the funnel create gases that may be harmful to people. These gases are released into the vent hood and are not to be inhaled by people. This process of inverting the substances in the separatory funnel and venting into the hood is repeated twice more. And when that has been completed, the separatory funnel is placed back into the ring stand, and it is left to sit until the compounds are completely separated. The compounds separate based on polarity, and so the first layer will be either your organic or aqueous, and the second layer will be the other one. So the stopcock is opened and drained into a beaker and kept if it is the organic layer, and then another beaker is placed under, and the stopcock is opened to capture the other layer. It's good practice to keep both of the compounds in case there's a mix-up of which is organic and which is aqueous, and if a mix-up occurs and both are kept, then you can simply switch which one you take further in your chemistry process. The glassware used is just the separatory funnel and 2 collection beakers, as well as the ring stand and a vent hood, and the substances you're going to be using. Safety precautions entail not allowing gas buildup by venting, and the toxicity of the substances, whether it be getting it on your hand being a concern or any noxious gases that need to be vented.